Hello friends, in this tutorial, I am going to show you CRUD other files are same. Type this command to create new Laravel project CRUD. Now open this folder in Visual Studio. Open .env file and uncomment database configurations and remove default database from MySQL. Create table Laravel in PopMeAdmin. Type this command to migrate database. Type ephp artisan serve to strat server and check this. Now type this command to create category modal and migration. Now open category modal, add fillable fields name, icon, and status. Open migration file and define name, icon, and status. Now run this command to migrate. Let's check category table.